Hello, this is Ricky Yarbrough from Springdale Tractor. Today, we're going to compare two of the most common excavators, most popular excavators that Kubota builds with the U35 and also the 040. Let's start with the U35. Okay, Kubota builds two different series. They build a U series, as this one is a U35, then they build a KX series. The U series is a zero tail swing machine, basically meaning your house, being the unit here, will not come across your track. So if you are up against the house, you can turn this machine around without damaging the machine or the house that you're sitting next to or the property. All of them come with blades. This is an option for an angle blade on this machine. This is actually a standard blade that's on it now, and the KX, we'll get to that here in a little bit, has a 6-way angle blade. You got a lot of options in buckets. You can put post hole diggers on them, hammers. It does have a quick coupler bucket. Pull a pin, bucket comes off, you go right to a piece of attachment that with the quick coupler system. Serviceability about the Kubota, they make it very simple. You've got a door that swings open here. That'll get to your engine, your air cleaner. Your side compartment will also come up, and it'll also get to your radiator, your hydraulic fluid, your overflow tank. Battery is right there. So they make it very simple to service the thing if you need to yourself. Okay, in both of these units, you can get in a cab or an open station, cab with heat and air, or an open station machine. We'll go over some bit of the controls here if nobody's ever been on an excavator before. Okay, these two handles here operate the machine to go forward and backwards. It's kind of like driving a zero-turn machine. If you want to go left, you pull left on the back on the left one, you push forward on the right one, and vice versa to go right. This pedal here is going to move swing your boom side to side. If you need to dig sideways off the machine, you can go left or right with it. These two pedals fall down, so you can actually drive the machine with your feet versus having to push on it with your hands. Okay, this is going to run the boom, this is going to run the bucket. Depending on which pattern you have on the next machine, I'll show you how easy that is to change. This is going to run your boom up and down. This is going to run your bucket curl. This is going to swing the house in a circle, 360 degrees. This is going to be for your blade, go up and down. This green button on top is for your 2-speed for your drive motor. So if you're in a subdivision, you need to go from one house to the next, you can just push that button, puts you in high range so your speed goes up a little bit. Of course, standard throttle here, fast and slow. This is going to be a work light. This is a standard ignition switch. Very, very comfortable machine to run. All right, well, we're done with the U35. Let's step over and let me show you the unique Kubota exclusive 6-in-1 angle blade the 040 has. It's the only model that has it. Let's walk over and take a look at it. Okay, on the KX040, like I mentioned earlier, it has a 6-in-1 angle blade. So it's basically like a dozer blade. It'll tilt this direction, tilt side to side, and also up and down. So when I get on the machine, I'll show you how this works. It's pretty neat. Okay, basically all the controls are the same from the U35 to the KX040. They all have an option to go from a pattern A to pattern B, and what that is if you have a guy working for you that's used to running a backhoe, it's completely opposite from an excavator control. So Kubota made it easy. You have two patterns, an A and a B, and then I just switched it. So if you get a guy that's used to running a backhoe, he can run it fine. Or if you get a guy that's wanting to run a excavator controls, he just moves the lever, it's back so he's comfortable on how to use the machine. Okay, the 6-in-1 blade is used by one single handle. So basically you pull it back to make it come up, you push forward to make it go down. You'll twist the handle to get your angle of the blade, and then you use the toggle switch on top to get your tilt. Okay, well, I like the 6-in-1 angle blade is when you're backfilling a hole, your trench that you just dug, it's a lot less wear and tear on your tracks. Another with it angling this direction, tilting, if your operator is setting a little sideways, you can level yourself back up, so it makes the operator feel more comfortable being in a level position. Okay, well, that's a little minor breakdown of your U35 versus your KX series. We've got 25, 30 of these in inventory. Come see us at Springdale Tractors and we can help you out with your excavating needs. Thanks for watching.